Here's a yellowbird. They don't like the cars. They fly away and they come right back. The little lovebirds chattering away. The Franklins. They're so funny. The doves are the panic. They panic. They're the panic button, if you will. Come on, babies. Say hi to Grandma. I think we got a few birds, Mom. They fight over the little glass bowl. And then they figure out they can go in the tray, and they go in the tray. Every morning. It's like anywhere from 100 to 300 birds, depending on the day. But they're everywhere. And they're chatterboxes. Little chatterboxes. Pretty soon a dove will flutter. And they'll all fly away. These are pretty babies. Here they go. That's the greatest. Hope you like these, Mom.